Hi traders, good morning, how are you? I hope you are fine. And for those that they are from my country, especially from Bucharest, we have a big snow outside. I think Christmas is coming back right now. Oh, this not. Remove it. This was exactly on GJ what I have sent on the group, and I said that if it's going to close above 151, then we have the probability for the price to continue to go up, and it closed. Okay, so I said if it's going to close above this area of 151, definitely the price will continue to go up, and here we had like the first take profit and here the second take profit. So it seems like right now on the 1 hour the price came back down. It's like doing a retest right here, and most probably the next 1 hour candle will come back down, create like a support, and then to continue to go up. It's a very strange and difficult area right now. I don't know exactly what should I say. Oh, we still have 3 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close. And let me see on the 15. Yeah, on the 15 minutes the price it's ranging. And when I see a price ranging, I do like this. I'm mapping up my chart, putting a box, and knowing that in this area I'm not trading. You cannot put right now here on the 15 minute because you don't trade on the 15 minute. On the 15 minute you go only to take, let's say, like a very small confirmation when you are scalping. Okay, going back to 30 minute, it seems like the price is rejecting again this area, and it seems like the price is closing higher and higher. And if you don't know what I mean like this, you can visualize it, okay, and it's easier for you to understand it. So the price closed at, let me take my brush, okay, so the price closed at first here and rejected the support, and then higher and higher and higher and higher. Okay, I'm saying this because again I receive a lot of messages on Instagram. What should I do here? What does it mean here? What I will do if one candle is creating a wick? How do I identify support and resistance? I receive a lot of questions, and I do encourage you to take and to start to take courses with somebody. I don't say that with me especially, but you have to start to learn because I mean, otherwise you cannot trade. I found also people that they don't know what I'm talking about, saying that let's have a short, or let's I mean short, you know that it's a sell, and I mean you have to learn these names. I don't know, I call them terms in, I think terms, I call them in my language. So start to learn Forex before invest money, okay, before going to make an account. It's better to trade on the demo account. Don't start a demo account with $100,000 because you are lying to yourself, and you have to put something which is real, and you have to grow it, okay? So don't force yourself saying that, oh, I have 100,000, I will trade with a lot size of 10. Boom, I made 5 pips, I made I don't know how much money. This is not a trade, okay? And this is not real, and you don't have that amount of money in your bank account, okay? So be real, okay? and trade whatever you have. If you have $500 and if you love trading and if you know how to trade it, then do it. Okay, good. So this is GJ, and I really want to see what the price is trying to do right now. And also we have a new hour candle that just started, and we may see that the price can reject from here. Okay, so maybe we have some people that they didn't enter in the trade, and you should take this trade. Okay, if you see that it's rejecting from this area, then definitely you can try to trade it. Okay, what do you say here? Which strategy you use? I'm using the strategy which is the best and very simple, the price action. I am reading the candles, because all the time I say that candles, they do really tell a story if you know how to read them. You have to understand where the candles are closing. Why do they close at I don't know, at a level, I don't know how to say. You have to identify support and resistance, and like this you can predict where the price can go. I think it's the best strategy ever, and also I am teaching this to my students, and I think that I have a profitable strategy. The only thing that you can do is that you have to wait for the confirmation and for the best entry. Okay, for the best entry, let me measure right here. What do we have? We can have 18 pips. Let me see here. Yeah, I think this one, it has room to go here. Okay, when I am scalping, let me go on the 30-minute, and on the 30-minute it seems like the price, it's, yeah, right now it's pushing lower, but I think that the price should continue to go up. Okay, so I still have the same theory that GJ has to continue to go up, and to retest again this area. What do we have here? It's 151, 200 and something, or 300. So if this one it's going up, then I will be very, very happy. When I gave, let's say, not this, it didn't was a signal in the morning on my group chat, but I said that I have an eye on GJ, and I said that if it's going to close above 151, then the price should continue to go up to 200 area, okay, or maybe 300. And now the price is pushing a little bit up, and we expect for the price to make a move. If it's not making that move, then I'm going to close 50% from my trade. So there is no problem. Although I am, let's say, in profit, because yesterday I did a lot of pips, okay? And for the people that they are already in my group, they know what I'm talking about, okay? So it's like right now I'm playing safe because I'm playing from my profit, and I'm not playing, let's say, a big lot size. Also because I said that this is again, it makes, how you say, it's part of my strategy and trading plan, that I make 100 pips per week, and I have already done my pips. So if I'm playing like this, I play it only with a very, very small lot size. I'm pretty sure that the price will continue to go to where I said, to 300. If it doesn't want to do, then I'm going to close 50%. Let me go on the 15. It seems like it's rejecting this area, and if I'm going also to this zone right here, we have also these rejections. If it doesn't want to go, then that's fine. I don't have any problems. Okay. What's your bias on Euro USD? Wait, this is an old thing. My bias on Euro USD. First of all, let's see here at the live charts. So right now it seems like Euro is strong, GBP it's so and so. USD, it's strong enough, but in the case that Euro right now it's stronger than USD, I still believe right now, I mean in this hour, that the price should continue to go up. Okay, when we have the dollar stronger than the euro, it means that the dollar will push down the euro. Okay, so like this, you have, let's say, to understand it, what's going on right now here. Okay, where I have this line, this red line, it means that from here the price started. Okay, the day started, and if it's going to break this area, then yes, definitely the price will continue to go up to 1.19161. Why do I'm saying this? Because here, if you look closer, let me do, if we are looking here, we have a resistance. Okay, why? Because we have this rejection from here this week, and it match also with this area. Okay, and why do I think also that the price should continue to go up? Because if I'm putting right here, the price is rejecting this area, and this is only for 1 hour. If I'm going also on the 4 hour, maybe with daily, then you will understand it better. Right now it seems like on the 1 hour it's rejecting this area. Okay, and it's matching very well with this zone from here. If we are going on the 30-minute, it's in the same situation, and as you can see, we put it perfectly. Okay, the line right here, we have these rejections, we have also these multiple touches. Right here we have this a rejection where the price created like a resistance, and if we are going on the 15-minute, it looks like the price, let's say, okay, on the 15-minute the price right now it's rejecting, sorry, it's ranging. Okay, but it doesn't matter too much, but in my mind it seems like the price can continue to go up to where I say, to 1.19150. Okay, so if you are in a trade, I think for Euro USD, the price should continue to go up, and you have 18 pips, which is perfectly fine. I mean, if you take 18 pips a day, you are a king, I can say. Okay, so that's why I said this is one of my strategies, because I like to make only 100 pips per week. Okay, because also I give signals. I have to look also to some other pairs, but my favorite one is GJ. Okay, that pair, it's the one that I am looking a lot. Okay, and I think that again, you should not, for you to be consistent, you should not overtrade. You should use only 2% from your account. Okay, and if you use only 1 or 2 pairs, then it's amazing because you can become consistent. In the same time, you should, how do I say, I'm trying to find the word, you should understand that if you really want to make money in the forex market and to become millionaire like you are dreaming, because I'm pretty sure that all the people from here that they are right now in the live session with me, they are dreaming about millions and cars and jewelries and so on, you should have a trading plan and respect it, and to have the best risk management ever. Okay, by the way, about the risk management, in the morning when I woke up, I received again also on the Instagram a message from a guy that he did some I don't know, courses, lessons in America, and the people from there told him not to use a stop loss, and I was almost fading because it's crazy not to use a stop loss, okay, when you are in a trade, because you will end up losing money and you don't want that. Okay, and when you have a stop loss, it means that you have the possibility to cut from your loss. Okay, and if you know how to manage, then for example, when you are in a drawdown, and I explain all the time this, when the price is going into a drawdown and you don't feel comfortable and you don't feel sure that the price is going into your direction, then you can cut 50%, okay, from the trade. And then if you see that the price is changing direction and is going into your favor, then you can add again 50, and that 50% that you cut it, and maybe you can add more positions, okay, then if the price is going into your favor. So there are some little tricks that you have to learn them, and that they brings you how you say, positive income, because if you know how to manage your money, it will be easier again to make money, okay, and to accomplish your dream to become a millionaire. Because also I think all the people from here, they want to become millionaires, and I don't want to lie, I want to become too, and to do whatever I want with the money, you know, to be free. But for this you have to work a lot, you have to learn, you have to you must have the best strategy, because if you don't have it, then the market would eat you alive. The risk management and the trading plan. So coming back to my students, all my students, they did trading plan and they really respected, and also I saw that they started to become very profitable, and I can say that I am very proud of them. Okay, and because I explained them my strategy right now, with everything that I have explained them, they started to build their own strategy, and they are making some money, some nice money. Okay, even if they don't have how do I say, big accounts like 5,000 or 10,000 or I don't know what. I'm pretty sure that if you understand what I mean, and if you're consistent in the forex market, you can make beautiful money. Okay, and you can go and enjoy the money, and maybe you can buy a car, or I don't know. I know also some people that they made a lot of money, and now they bought houses and I don't know, other things, you know, that you need in life. When you start with trading, I started almost 3 years and a half. Let's say that half of the year at the beginning I was so crazy because I didn't want to understand that in trading, if you want to be consistent, you have to use stop loss. That's why I insist so much, because believe me, I lost also some money. I lost also, I had the account with beautiful money, okay, right there, and I lost them because I didn't understand exactly how the things are working. And after that I started to take some classes out of Romania, and after I finished them and I understand, let's say, how the things are working, I started to build my own strategy, and now I can say that I'm profitable. And I said, why not to help also some other people, because I've been in the same situation, okay? Because I was, let's say, like screaming, and like I was, how do I say, I was screaming for help, you know, because I was losing my account and I didn't know what to do. And also, I don't know, we have a guy here in the group that I don't know how is right now, and maybe he lost his account, I don't know, because he did that stupid thing to trade without the stop loss, and he trade gold, and gold, which is the difficult part of the, I don't know, it's so difficult to trade. I think that right now, I know that last night he didn't sleep because he was babysitting the account, okay? And I know that he had a sale, and the price went up, and now he's expecting to recover his account, but I don't know what he did. And maybe if he's right here with us on the live session, maybe he can tell me what he did. Okay. So it's about this, it's about the risk management, and it's about how much you like Forex, and how much dedicated you are, and how much time you have to spend it on this, okay? Because me, now I can say that I am a full-time trader, but I cannot say that I stay all the time in front of the computer. I stay only because I have students and I have to do many other things. But when I'm trading, I do it here with you. When I have the possibility, I do it live. And when I'm not, I do it in the London session, and maybe in the New York session when I do have a little time, okay? But this is also what I'm saying to my students, that they should not, how you say, spend too much time in front of the computer, because you will end up going crazy. Seeing so many candles, I don't know, you will not be able to understand exactly what's going on, and how do I say, yeah, I said it correctly, you will not be able to read them anymore, okay? I do believe that this candle should continue to go up, and also because right here, like, created support, this one closed it higher than this one. Again, this one, I think it's coming back down only to create a little wick and then to come up. I'm pretty sure that the price should continue at least to this area of 190, okay? And also this one, it's a very good target for scalping. How did you develop a strategy? How did you go forward first? Hi. How I developed, after I took my my classes, also my mentor at that time, he told me that, well, right now you should start to create your own, let's say, path. I will be always here for you, but you should understand that you have to trade on your own right now, and you should develop some new skills. And then I start to look for some things that I couldn't see them before, okay? And after I saw them, I start to repeat them and repeat them months and months and months. And now I can say that they gave me, how you say, a beautiful income, okay? And the only thing is that you have to repeat the same thing like a robot. If you don't repeat it, then you'll forget, and you will not understand, and so on. So when you are doing something, you have to repeat it all the time, like you are repeating coming on the market, like, I don't know, a very, very important thing is that you should work a lot with yourself, because when you will start to trade with a bigger lot size, you will start to, let's say, trembling and say, oh my god, what should I do now? The price is going into a drawdown, I'm gonna lose my account, I'm gonna lose my money. So there are some very important things from the beginning, that if you start to trade, well, all the money that you invest in that account, you have to forget about them, because you invest them and you think that you have to make them more, okay? But it doesn't mean that you have to be afraid at every trade, okay? Because if you will be afraid, then you will your hands will start to shake, and you will like in my case right now, I'm not afraid of what GJ is doing right now. I mean, I don't have any problem, and if I am wrong, then I'm wrong, okay? The only thing is that you should be very calm, and you should understand that if the price is not going into your direction, in where you thought that the price is going, it means that maybe you did a mistake, or maybe it means that you didn't enter at the right time. So that's why I'm saying that you should be at the right time on the market, not all day, okay? So in my case right now, if I see that the price is going lower than this area, then it means that there is a probability for the price to shift direction and then to go later on up, okay? So it's not my fault, let's say, that I didn't end up this trade in profit, okay? I go back after I close the trade, and I make like an analysis, saying that what did I have done here wrong, that the price, it didn't went in the direction that I said. So all the time you have to put yourself questions. Why? Believe me, sometimes I'm speaking with a monitor, you know, with a computer, and saying, why is doing this price like this? Let me go back. Let me check also all the time you have to check on the left side. What do you have there? You have to do all the time back testing. You have to go with the news. You have also these currency strength meters, okay? There are so many, but I use this one because it's very nice. It's more girlish, let's say. Okay? There are a lot of things that you can use them, okay? Also at the currency strength meter, it tells me that GPY, it's it's weak and GBP it's stronger, okay? So the probability for the price to continue to go up, it's higher. If it's not going, then fine. I'm going to close 50% of the trade and then I'm waiting. And if I'm losing, it's fine again. Tomorrow or maybe after tomorrow, I will recover my loss. So all the time you have to think like that. But the only thing is that you have to know how to manage your trade and you have to know how to manage your loss, because you don't want to let the price going into your stop loss, okay? Saying that, okay, I'm going let the price going into my stop loss. So if the price it's not going in the direction that you said, okay, then fine, you can close 50% of the trade. I can close right now 50% of my trade. And then if I see that the price is changing and it's going back up, then I can add back my 50%, okay? So there are some little tricks that you have to start them, to start to understand them, okay? And again, I repeat myself, you don't have to be afraid when you are in a trade, okay? Nobody is going to eat you, nobody is going to kill you. You are the only person that is controlling this, okay? And if you feel that you cannot control these things, then it's fine, you don't trade. Maybe you are not made to be a trader, okay? Some people, they are not made to be traders, okay? They cannot control this kind of emotions because they are emotions, okay? Look right now on the 30-minute what GJ did. It came back down, it was a bearish candle, and in 1 second it just, flip on the bullish candle again. So these kind of things are happening. That's why I said you should know how to control your emotions. Look, right now it came back down again. So even if I see that on the currency strength meter that the GBP is stronger than the GPY, it's still there is a fight right here between the sellers and the buyers, and it seems like the price is still trying to go down. But if you know how to control these things, it will be easier for you to understand how this forex market is, let's say, function, okay? And you have to feel how you say, very secure, and you have to feel that you are not afraid of anything, because the market will not eat you. Right now the price is going down, and let me see on this 30-minute candle will close right now, and let's see where it wants to close. Above this zone, okay, or under this area where I have put my my resistance. Yeah, it was a resistance, now it's like a support. So maybe the price can come, let's say, to this area. Maybe it's playing right here, and from here to reject it. We don't know, so we have to wait. So if you have any questions, if you are trading something and maybe you are afraid that the price is not going into your direction, then you can tell me and maybe I can help you with something. I am also here receiving a lot of messages, and also I am taking care of my real account right now, but I'm pretty sure that the price will shift direction and it will come back up again. If it doesn't want to do this, then fine, I'm gonna go and close 50%, and I will not cry like a baby, and you should not do this thing too. So by the way, who is in a trade right now Maybe it's trading something else, like, I don't know, gold or EJ, or I don't know. Let's see. Let's see EURJPY. EURJPY is still trying to push up. The new 30-minute candle just started. Oh, sorry. Let me go back to GJ and see. It's still here, but I really don't like. Yeah, I think I'm going to close 50% because it doesn't want to do exactly what I want. Or maybe I'm going to close the whole trade at the break even, but I am waiting to see if the price will do exactly, and it's going exactly where do I say. So it seems like it doesn't want to come down to this area, but I think that I will close 50% because I don't like how these candles are pushing. Okay, this is on the 15-minute, and I want to go on the 30-minute chart. And on the 30-minute chart, it seems like it's trying to push. And it's rejecting this area, and it's closing higher and higher. Okay, what about GBP CAD? Will it shift? Where is it? GBP, boom, boom, boom. GBP CAD, yes. GBP CAD, it should continue to go up, and all the pairs with GBP, they should continue going up. Look right here. Here we have, where I have this line, I have here like an alarm saying, okay, oops, sorry. Okay, because you can put alerts, and here I have an alert. If it's going to cross this area, then it's not my area of interest. Okay, but I do believe that the price will reject from here, and where it's going to go around to this area. Again, this is on the 30-minute, but the price it's playing. I mean, look also on the 4-hour. The candle, it came back down here. Also in the same time, the price is closing higher and higher. Again, how do I say? This candle closed above what it happened right here, okay? Because this is again one zone of interest, okay, for you. So if you are putting again like a line, you will see that it matched perfectly. Right now, it seems like it's in a strong area. It came only just back down to retest it, and then it's going to continue to go up. Why do I say this? Because if you look closer, let me take my brush. If you look closer first, your price close it higher and higher. This candle closed it above what you had here, above this resistance, which it was very important. Right here you can see that the price created like a support, okay, rejected this zone, and again here you have two candles that they rejected again. All the time remember that the price is not moving straight into a direction. It's playing, okay? It's making waves, up, down, up, down. That's why, I mean, imagine a candle going only in one direction, or up and down, or I don't know. I mean, it doesn't there is no logic, okay? So also with GJ right now, I saw that it came down, then up. Oops. So it's like playing, okay? Let me go on the 30-minute. So that's why I say look a little bit. If I'm wrong, okay? Then I will do my back testing and saying why, where, how do I say, what did I've done wrong, okay, to this trade. But if you're taking it logical, if you are going also in the higher time frames, okay, let's put it on the 4 hour, 1 hour, the price, it's closing higher and higher. Also this one closed higher of what happened here and also of what happened here. What do I expect is that the price to retest again this area. All the time the price is retesting area, okay? Areas. It doesn't matter if they are up or down, but all the time they retest them. All the time when you have momentum, the price, how do I say, they are filling the wicks, okay? Let me go back to GCAD because I didn't say all about it. Right now it seems like, okay, on the 30-minute rejected this area. I don't see anything, okay, rejected, because if you are taking back, okay, this line, we can say that we have a lot of rejections, okay, but this, it doesn't mean that it cannot just come down, retest this area and come back up again, okay? So all the time think of the possibilities and where the price can go, okay? Even if you are not right, then it can happen. You cannot know everything. It's impossible to know everything. Imagine you could be a millionaire, I could be a trillionaire, okay, right now, after so many hours in front of the computer and trading. I mean, you have to understand some things and you have to start to read the candles and to take the best probability, which is giving you the best entry on the market, okay? Sometimes you can be wrong, sometimes you can be right, but this, it doesn't mean that you are a bad trader, okay? You are a good trader because you are coming, you are learning, you are studying every day, you want to see new things, you want to try new strategies, maybe you take some courses, but you don't have to blame yourself. Or maybe if you are losing a trade, you don't have to go again into the market and saying that, oh, I lost the trade, I have to recover my money. No, just calm yourself a little bit. Maybe you will come tomorrow or after tomorrow on the market, because it happens, okay, losing money. So it's not bad. The only thing is that if you don't know how to manage your losses, okay, if you know how to do your risk management, then it will be let's say easier for you to make money, because you want to have small losses and big wins, because like this you will end up being how you say, you will end up being profitable. What do I say? Do you take live trades on this stream? Well, yes, I do, but I don't think that you want right now to be in the trade. And I take all the time, but right now, and I said about Gigi is not doing exactly what I want, and I have closed 50% from my trade, okay? So yes, I do, because that's why I'm here, also giving, like having entries, and also giving free education, because I receive a lot of messages on the Instagram, on my private page, and on Telegram from people that they really do need help. And I said, okay, fine, I will start to do a live session where I give free education, and if I find any opportunities, good opportunities, I will go into a trade. Right now I took GJPY because I was expecting the price to continue to go up, but it seems right now that it's like ranging, nothing doing too much. I have closed already 50% of my trade, and if it's going to close even lower, okay, around this area, then I'm going to close definitely the whole trade, and I don't have any problem because I told you already, I know how to manage my trades. I don't feel scared. I don't have any problems because although I'm trading from how you say, I'm trading from my profit, so no problem. Right now it seems like I don't know how GJ is like going down, but the pound is stronger than the GPY. This I don't understand. In the same time, I can see euro stronger than GPY, but it seems like the price is going on. So I do believe that the price is just going down for a liquidity grab, okay? What does it mean? It means that in this case, the price is just coming back down, and then when it's going to shift direction and going up, it's going, we will have like momentum and the price will go faster, okay? Wonderful. I would like how you explain. I like how you explain to us beginners. Well, I said that's why I am here, and that's why I started to do these live sessions, okay? Because I want you to understand how this forex market is working, what you should do to become profitable at let's say what time you should be on the forex market for you to be consistent, and so on. There are a lot of things that you should start to learn them, otherwise you will not be able to make money, because all the things that I explain them, they have to go I don't know how to say, in the same place, and from there you will take disadvantage, because you will start to learn more and more things, okay? When, for example, a candle it's not going into your favor, then you can how do I say, you can close 50% from your trade, and let me remove this one. Look at this one. Definitely it's going to shift direction. I do not believe that this price will fall. It doesn't have I don't see that it's going to shift direction from here. But it seems like it's pushing down and down. Now let me see, GJ, my trade, it's done. Not this one. My trade is almost done. I don't have any problem because I told you I have closed 50% of the trade. Let me go on the 15-minute. And let's see, let's go on the 15-minute to see, we still have 1 minute to see if the price will reject from here, or it's going to continue to go down. And it's very important to see where this candle is going to close. Maybe it's just coming back down to I told you, to have like a liquidity grab. I'm pretty sure, and you can have a note, that this pair, it should continue to go up, even if it's playing like this. Maybe I didn't have the best entry, but it was very logical what I have explained you, that at that point of, after it's closing the price of 151, then the probability for the price to continue to go up is higher than to go down. I cannot control all the things. It's possible for the GJ to continue to go even deeper. Maybe it's going to retest again this area of 157.38. But in my mind it was that, okay, if I'm going into a trade, what should I have, a buy or a sell? First of all, the price, it closed above this resistance, okay? So here we have the resistance. Then I said, okay, the price created like a support here, and then we should continue to go up. Again, it gave me the direction that the price should continue to go up, okay? So it's not like I have done something wrong, but some things I cannot control them, and not also me, you, because you can be in a trade and some things you cannot control them and you cannot understand them. Why did they happen? Okay, so you have to understand that if the price is not going at that moment in your right direction, then it seems like you should know how to manage your trade, and you should be very calm, for example, like I am right now, and without any problems, because if it's not going into my direction, then it's fine, okay? And so I told you that's why I took the trade, because I saw this where the price created like a support. It tried many times to break it, but it couldn't. Maybe right now it's just coming back here, creating let's say like a retest or maybe like a fake out, but it can make a fake out on the 1 hour and 30 minutes and then the price to come back up again. If not, then it's fine. I told you I don't have any problem. Then I will back test my trade and I will see what did I have, what could I have done more for this trade to become profitable. Okay, let's go also to EURJPY, because I want to see how it looks right now, and it seems like again it's in a strange area. Let me go on the 4 hour. And it seems like we are in the same situation. GPY it's weak and euro it's strong, and again this one it should continue to go up. It has the same idea like GJ, to come back up to this area of 129,500, and then maybe this one, and maybe to go even higher of 130. Okay, so I'm expecting the price to do the same thing. Maybe on the Asia session the things will change and the price will come back right down. I don't know. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Let me see. Gold. This is from yesterday. My. This is what happened yesterday with that guy that I told you that he's in my group. And he took his sell from around here, I think at somewhere here, it was 69 I think, or 79, I don't remember. Somewhere here he had a sell, and then my god, the price came up and look what is done. I don't know that if he's still alive, his account, but there is the possibility that it's not. Right now it seems like it's rejecting from this area. Let me remove this too. Okay, Let's see what's going on right here. And also I told him don't going into a trade because you may end up losing money, but he didn't want to understand what I was saying right there. And this can go up to here, okay? And as you can see, we have here these rejections, and also it match with this ones. And if we are going on the left side, it match also with these ones, and so on. So when you are placing a resistance or a support, you don't have to put it at a specific price. You just have to put it in a zone. That's why it's called a zone, okay? An area which you see a lot of rejections, and it seems like from there the price rejected and created like a support and resistance. And right now, for those that they are trading gold and maybe they would like to understand when to going into a trade and when not, they should see like this. It's very simple. So what do I see here? That the price is ranging. What do I see here? The price is ranging. I suggest you not to trade, and I really tell you that, let me remove this one also. I tell you before going into a trade, yes, this could be also here, and the last one could be right here. I tell you from the beginning, if you are trading gold, if you want to trade gold, keep that in mind, that right now you are in a range area and nothing really special you can do, okay? If you want to trade, you can have a trade after the price is closing above, what do we have here, 1720, okay? After it's closing this area, then yes, you can have a buy, or maybe after the price is closing right down here where it's 1708. Otherwise, right here you don't trade, because right here you are like ranging and you cannot control and know where the price can go at that moment, okay? So it's very important to know when to go into a trade, and you must have all the time confirmations. If you don't have confirmations, then you will end up losing money, okay? So you have to know exactly when to go into a trade. In the same time, I tell you that you can make also mistakes, because we all can make mistakes. We are humans, okay? So I do believe that we are in a range zone right now, that the price it may reject from this area and play again this zone from here, okay, at what we have here, 1711 to 1716, something like this. I don't know, but I really don't like it that it's creating a lot of wicks, okay? So I told you, if you are trading gold, then you should wait for the price to break either up or down. I like to trade like this, and like this you have the best confirmation, okay? Do you have any other questions? Let's see, EURJPY, what it done. There is another 6 more minutes for this 1 hour candle to close, and at about the 4 hour we still have 2 hours for this 4 hour candle to close. And I do believe that this candle, even if it's coming back down right here around this area, I'm pretty sure that the price will retest again this area from here and maybe creating a wick and then coming back down. And if I'm putting right here like a trend line, it's not the best idea, but no, I really don't like it. But if you are trading and if you like to trade EURJPY, then you must wait for the best opportunity that market gives you to enter in the market, okay? And try to avoid mistakes. And when you are avoiding mistakes, you should wait for the confirmation. If you don't have confirmations, then you don't go into a trade. Sometimes when you do have confirmations, the market can do the opposite what you said and you can lose money. Don't worry, you have to go to backtest of what you have done, to put questions to yourself, what did I have done wrong right here, and to understand that sometimes also the price is moving without us. Let's say in our maybe we had a buy on something and the price is going into the buy but without us. So it's happening, and it happened to myself many times, and it means that the price is moving in one direction, either up or down. It's moving without any confirmation, okay? And it happened I think it happened today with GJ in the morning when I said about it, that if it's going to close above 151, he will go up. But before doing this, he went up straight without any confirmation, and he closed, even if he closed under the resistance. So sometimes the price is doing like this. That's why I said you cannot control all the things, but you can control your account and you can control your emotions. And it's like I'm controlling right now my emotions, and I'm controlling my emotions when I'm trading. So when you are trading, you have to be like, let's say, like a robot, okay? No hard feelings, no nothing. You just trade, you just do your own thing, and you just do exactly what you have learned, okay? So if you have a buy, go into the buy, don't hesitate, but try to manage your trade, okay? So that's all about. Again, if you have any other questions, you can ask me. Let me go back to GJ. GJ, he's a bastard. Look what he's done. In the moment that I was speaking with you, you see, and he closed right here, and we still have 2 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close. Yes, yeah, I'm right. So look what he's done. I took the buy when the price closed it above this area. I was pretty sure that the price should continue to go up, but the price came back down. Well, it's not my mistake. The price can come back down, and then after that it can come back up again. So there are some things that you cannot control, and you should not force yourself, let's say, being in a trade, okay? So you should be, let's say, you should feel okay being in a trade, and understanding that if you have a very good risk management, you can end up losing less money. Thank you so much. Well, I thank you that you are here and that you want to learn, because believe me, it's not easy to do live sessions every day and to speak in front of so many people. And I think that in time you will understand exactly what I was saying. A small head and shoulders pattern to go down. Where? On GJ? No. GJ, I'm pretty sure that he will reject from here. If it's not going in the next hour, maybe in the next 4 hours, he will do it. I do not see, I don't know, I do not see GJ coming down. If it's going down, then it's my mistake, and more probably tomorrow I will see different thing. But today this is what I saw, and I'm not going to change my mind. Maybe it's just playing right here in the 1 hour. Okay, so this is the area which GJ is playing right now. But I don't know, I don't see any reason why GJ to fall so much, you know. Yeah, it seems like it closed right here. I'm going to remove it. Okay, so now it's like I'm back testing, and to understand what happened right now with GJ. Okay, I mean, I did exactly, this is on the 1 hour and this is on the 30-minute. On the 30-minute the price closed it above. Also it's created like a support. Also the price, it went to my direction. Right now it seems like GJ is going up, and it's trying to make me crazy because I was right, but maybe I didn't wait for the right time. I don't know, I think that I was right, but it seems like right now the price doesn't want to do exactly what I want, but I'm pretty sure that in the next 2 hours GJ will go and to continue to go up and not down. Right now I think it's just going back down, liquidity grab, and then coming back up again. Let me see GBP CAD. My god, GBP CAD did the same crazy thing, and I don't understand, because right now it seems like GBP it's not so strong, but GPY, it's nothing. I mean, I don't see why the price, it pushed everything right down. Now this candle, it should shift direction and come back up again. And I'm saying this because this candle, it finished without any wick. So when a candle is finishing with no wick, it means that there is no range for the next candle to continue in that direction. This is happening 80% of the time. So all the time we are speaking here about percentage. So maybe sometimes some things, they will not happen. So don't feel sorry. I can say also that it's a very, very difficult time to trade, because also we are, for example, at EURJPY, we are in a very strange area, in a difficult area, where, as you can see, if we are going on the daily, we have a lot and a lot of rejections. But in the same time, the price is still trying to push up. Okay, so when the price is pushing up, you have to go to the weekly and say what's going on here, and why do we have this rejection, but in the same time, why EURJPY is still trying to push up. Maybe it's trying to fill this wick of 130.169. okay, 170, what do we have here? And we can do, for example, like this. Okay, we take this wick. Okay, so this is this wick from here, and I can say that EURJPY is still playing around this area, but the probability for the price to continue and to retest again that area of 130, it's higher than the price to continue to go down. Okay, and if we are going on the weekly, you will see that we have a very bullish momentum. In the same time, if we are going to GJ, we have the same thing. Even if the price retraced a little bit, if we are going on the higher time frames, we are in a bullish momentum. We see only bullish candle, and the price is still trying to go up. And also I have to mark right here, where do I think that the price should continue to go next. But in the same time, it's still rejecting from this area. It's trying to close lower. Okay, so today, let's say it started lower than what happened yesterday, and there is a probability for the price to do something. Or we have here a situation right now on the 4-hour. It seems like GJ is ranging. Okay, here the price ranged too. Okay, if we are going lower again, the price ranged too, and so on. Even if you are going here, the price ranged too. So you have to take all the time the breaks. Sometimes you can trade. We are in a 4-hour chart. Imagine we have here a lot of pips and we can trade the ranges. Okay, you cannot trade the ranges when you are in a smaller time frame, like 30 minutes, like 15, or maybe 1 hour, because you will not have enough pips. Okay, but right here on the 4-hour, yes, you do have. Look, right now this candle right here, it just came back down, the 4-hour candle, just to make like a crazy retest, and then maybe the next it should continue to go up. Okay, I don't think that this one is going to copy this one, but like this you should mark up your charts, and like this you should understand where the price is going. Okay, and you see, you put little boxes. Okay, the price did this and then came back up and down, price did this, then up again, ranging and up again, ranging, and maybe it's going up, or maybe it's going to retest it again down. So all the time when you're going on the higher time frames, like we have the 4-hour, as you can see, we can do all these little boxes right here, and then you can trade it. Okay, so right here it's like you say no trades, but this is also available on the 1-hour and also on the 30-minute. Okay, this is available also in 1-minute chart. So you put the little box, you wait for the price to break the box, and you will see where it's going to close, above or under. Then you take a buy or a sell, and again with the next one, and again with the next one, and again with the next one. So this is again another let's say sometimes I do analysis like this. Okay, so maybe for those that they are new, they can understand where exactly the candles they can go in the next period, and they can anticipate exactly where the price should go. I am pretty sure, and I bet that GJ will continue to go up, even if you see the price right now in a box. But I'm pretty sure that it's going to break it, retest again this area, and maybe to continue to go even higher. Okay, I'm saying this because also the yen, it's not so strong, and I'm pretty sure that Friday the market will shift direction. Okay, for those that for the people that they are already on my group chat, I will come back right now and we will chat, and if you have any questions you can ask me. Also, I have to control my signals to see what they have done. For those that they are watching me and they want to learn on YouTube, you will find me tomorrow at the same hour. I will be here, and maybe if I will have any opportunity, although it's very, very difficult right now to trade the pairs that I am trading like GJ, but if I will have the opportunity, I can take a trade and we will take it together. But you should take it only with a very small lot size, or maybe in a demo account, because like this you will learn it. Okay, and if you like this stream, then give a like or a comment or a share, or I don't know, maybe you want to show also to some other friends what you are doing and what you are learning. Start to learn more, be confident, and believe me that the market will reward you back. Okay, so when you are investing in something with your heart and you are working hard, believe me that the market will come back with positive things. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I am waiting for you tomorrow at the same hour, and take care of you, and don't